Take command of the road in the 2020 Toyota Tundra. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, fully automatic headlights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.